Hey folks, Saksham this side from ACE IPM. Now that the results for most of the prominent colleges are out, it is time that we answer a very important question that a lot of you might have in your mind. That is whether or not to take a drop year.
एक्सक्यूज मी,
या
ये फर्स्ट ईयर के एडमिशन की लाइन है।
यस अंकल, आप अपनी बेटी के एडमिशन के लिए आए हो?
देखो, जितना सवाल पूछा उतना जवाब दो। यस और नो?
यस।
थैंक यू।
And if you do decide to take a drop year, ACE IPM is coming up with its droppers batch starting from 27th of July. So we'll also have a discussion on that. So without any further ado, let's begin. I understand that most of you gave it your all in the IPMAT examination this year, but as the luck would have it, you could not make it to one of the IIMs. And it is totally okay, it's perfectly okay for you to feel disappointed right now. But please realize one thing, that your setback does not define your future. We have had countless experiences with our ex-students, especially from the batch of 21, who could not make it to these IIMs through the IPM option. But now when we look at their profiles, when we look at their LinkedIns, and when they, have a conversation with us over WhatsApp, or, they reconnect, we get to know that many of them have now cleared IIMs, right? The IIMs they were targeting earlier are the ones they are now clearing through CAT, and even Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta as well. There are people who are running their own successful ventures. They don't even need to, they don't feel the need to even attempt CAT now.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
There are people who are already getting corporate experience in very good companies, which people usually go and do an MBA for, but they haven't done an MBA. They're already getting that corporate exposure.
चलिए मान लीजिए कि मैं बुरा आदमी, पर आप तो अच्छे हो ना। तो थोड़े अच्छे बनो। एक हफ्ते का टाइम दो, सब सेटल कर देंगे।
Others are also working on their profile, building that, they're doing CFA certifications, they're working on a lot of case competitions and other things to build on their profile so that, they are B school ready when they do decide to give the CAT examination. So one thing, of all this, what, we can make out of it is that, yes, IPM is one way for you to make a career in management, but that is not the only way. Of course, this is one setback that you have in your life, but if you are disciplined, if you take the learnings from this experience of preparing for this examination, you will definitely succeed if you just keep pushing yourself. A lot of people are enticed by the curriculum that IIMs have to offer, and because of that, you might be enticed to give this examination another shot next year by taking a drop. So in that case, whether should you take the drop or not is the question. Now that will depend on a lot of factors, but before that, let's just have a look at the results that ACE IPM has published this year. If we look at the last 3 years, we have been blessed to have students who have worked really hard and exceeded our expectations. And in the last 3 years, we've had more than 600 IIM selections. And this year also, it is going to be no different. Right now, the result for IIM Rohtak and IIM Indore is out. And the waitlist is still moving. So we expect this result to actually rise in the forthcoming list. But so far we had, in Rohtak, we had 144 people who got the interview call from ACE IPM. I'm only talking about the full course student, nobody from just the mocks or the interview package. These are people who purchase our full course. And in that case, 144 people got the shortlist for IIM Rohtak, and 34 have so far gotten into IIM Rohtak. So that is there in the case of IIM Rohtak. In the case of IIM Indore, however, it is even more interesting because we had 139 shortlist or interview calls coming up for the ACE IPM students, and of those, 33 of them have actually made it to IIM Indore. And you won't realize or you won't believe, but of the top 10 All India rank holders in IIM Indore this year, 6 were students of ACE IPM. All India rank 2 Arpit was a partial dropper, part of the droppers batch. All India rank 6, same story. Anya, droppers batch, partial dropper. All India rank 7 Lakshmi was a non-math student, and she was a fresher. She prepared with us for nearly 2 years, made it to IIM Indore with an All India rank 7. All India rank 8 was Shashwat, a full dropper, droppers batch. All India rank 9, Surya, again dropper, and a part of our droppers batch, was also a part of our 23 preparation batch, but again put faith in ACE IPM and enrolled for the droppers batch once again. In case of All India rank 10, that was Parikshit, and that was a fresher, also a part of ACE IPM batches. So that is how the result looks like. And of course, We did provide them with all the resources and guidance, but at the end of the day, it's their hard work, discipline, which landed them with such great AIRs. But all of that would, generate an obvious thought in your head कि भाई इतने सारे बच्चों का आपने नाम लिया and majority of them were droppers. And that is actually true. A lot of people who end up, getting through these IIMs are going to be droppers. If we look at the percentage in the ACE-IPM cohort, we had about 40% people making it as a dropper, partial हो या full, and 60% making it as a fresher. In terms of the droppers in itself, अगर आप उसे भी bifurcate करते हैं, तो majority बच्चे जो होते हैं वो partial dropper होते हैं, but full dropper भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. But this number in itself is not going to give you the idea of the larger picture. What you need to realize is that droppers are roughly 1/3 of entire ACE-IPM cohort, and these 1/3 people are pushing out 40% result. But within these droppers itself, there would be, of course, we don't have result for Ranchi, Bodhgaya, Jammu as of now, but we can extrapolate and make an educated guess that 20% of droppers who were a part of ACE-IPM's batch are going to eventually land up in one of these 5 IIMs. That's a good thing, and that paints a rosy picture. But what you're missing out is the rest 80% of people. Now, these are the people who put their heart and soul into the preparation, and they give this examination another shot this year, but despite that, they failed yet again. And that is something that you need to focus more on. Because अगर आप फिर से एक ड्रॉप ले रहे हैं, तो you need to realize and you need to make sure कि आप उस 80% पूल में ना आए, आप इस 20% में ही रहें. I want to paint a realistic picture in front of you, and basis of that only you can take this decision of taking a drop. अब बाकी 80% में भी बात करूं तो आधे बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जिन्होंने स्टार्ट तो करा होगा ड्रॉप लेके कि हाँ पढ़ेंगे, बट बाय द एंड ऑफ इट शायद इतनी मोटिवेशन नहीं रही, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते रहे, टाइम लास्ट में जाके इतना बचा नहीं, तो इन दैट केस उनका तो शॉर्ट ही नहीं था. बाकी बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने मेहनत करी होती है बट स्टिल समहाउ they could not get in because IIMs at the end of the day they are very unpredictable. So that unpredictability is something that you have to take into account. Now in that case, अब आपको ड्रॉप लेना या चाहिए या नहीं लेना चाहिए, that is something that would be broadly be decided by one of these 3 parameters. One is your self assessment. That is कि आपको पता है कि मेरा इस साल ये स्कोर आया, अगले साल मुझे ये स्कोर चाहिए जो कट ऑफ से काफी ऊपर होएगा, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ कट ऑफ क्लियर नहीं करनी, आपको फाइनल सिलेक्शन चाहिए. इस स्कोर के बीच में जो गैप है, क्या आप रियलिस्टिकली अगले 9-10 महीने में वो कवर कर सकते हैं या नहीं? बिकॉज इट कुड बी द केस कि आपने अभी जब प्रिपरेशन करी थी, द टाइम वाज़न्ट सफिशिएंट, यू स्टार्टेड लेट, or maybe you started early, you prepared well, you were scoring good in mocks, but somehow it did not convert into a good result. Maybe as the luck would have it, that just wasn't your day. So that could be a thing. Or you got an interview call but शायद आप convert नहीं कर पाए, या फिर आपको interview call के लिए बस 2, 4, 10, 15 मार्क्स से ही आप छूटे थे, otherwise आपको interview call in one of these 3 IIMs आ सकता था. So if all of that is something that has happened to you, of course taking a drop is something that you can consider. Of course better options आपके पास वैसे भी अवेलेबल हैं. आप DU में देखिए, DU में कोई अच्छा कॉलेज मिल रहा है, कोई और अच्छा कॉलेज आपको मिल रहा है और आपको वहां पर बढ़िया लग रहा है, 1-2 महीने पढ़ के आप उसे कंटिन्यू करें. But otherwise drop is something that you can consider because you have a shot at it. On the other hand, if you are somebody जिसके बोर्ड्स में परसेंटेज ही कम है, तो आपका IIM रोहतक रांची वैसे ही कट ऑफ हो जाता है. So in that case आप इंदौर के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हो, बट आपका पूल ऑलरेडी लिमिटेड हो गया है. So in that case you really need to make sure कि आप वो हायर मैथ के क्वेश्चंस कर पा रहे हो, आप वो IIM इंदौर की अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी झेल पा रहे हो, एंड आप कुछ ऐसा कर पा रहे हो जो कि बाकी बच्चे नहीं कर रहे हैं, to make it into that top 20% of the students in the case of droppers who eventually get into one of these colleges. So that is one thing that you need to see. Another thing is, if you have already given, let's say for example 2 years, 1.5 years to prepare for this exam, and उसके बाद भी अगर स्कोर कुछ खासा नहीं आ रहा है, डू यू रियलिस्टिकली थिंक कि अगले 9 महीने आप डालोगे तो शायद उस स्कोर में अचानक से कोई बम्प आ जाएगा? बिकॉज आपके पास तो टाइम भी था. अगर वो आपने डिसिप्लिन नहीं था, उसकी वजह से इतना आपकी प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि आप अगले 9 महीने डिसिप्लिन रह पाओगे? दैट इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो मे बी इन दैट केस, rather than taking a drop, it's better that you take a step back, you get into the best of the colleges that are available to you as an option, and उसके बाद आप आराम से अपने आप को give yourself some time, give yourself some break, and उसके बाद maybe you start preparing for CAT and make sure that all the learnings that you have from this examination you're applying over there, you're building your profile so that you maximize your chances there. Because see, CAT में competition ज़्यादा होगा but seats भी ज़्यादा होंगी, so it's a little less unpredictable if we compare it with IP MAT. So that is one thing that you need to consider. Second is the emotional burden, because especially अगर आप एक full drop लेते हैं, it is going to be very emotionally taxing. आपके जो दोस्त होंगे, they will continue on with their lives, they will be socializing and partying and enjoying their college life. You will not. you will confine yourself to the boundaries of your room and you will have no social life and you will be focused on just one and only one thing, that is IPMAT. And अगर आप वो नहीं करते हैं तो in that case you are depriving yourself of the chance of getting into one of these IIMs and you are doing injustice to yourself as well as your parents who have some hopes in you, as well as who might have put a lot of money and efforts into making sure that you get the best of the preparation. And अगर उसके बाद भी आप resources utilize नहीं कर रहे हैं and आप IPMAT को वो due importance नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो in that case you're doing injustice to yourself as well as your parents. So that is one thing that you need to realize. अब अगर आपका emotionally इतना taxing नहीं है क्योंकि आपने full drop नहीं लिया, partial लिया है, तो in that case एक और challenge आ जाता है, that is time management का. बिकॉज पार्शल ड्रॉप अब इज समथिंग दैट इवन वी एडवाइस, बट फिर लोग का एक्सक्यूज ये होता है कि भैया हम मैनेज कैसे कर पाएंगे, ऑलरेडी कॉलेज चल रहा है उसके साथ IPMAT. यार बच्चे बोर्ड्स के साथ भी मैनेज करते ही हैं एंड बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस आर मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर करियर देन आर योर सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशंस, राइट. सो इन दैट केस आई बिलीव एक बोर्ड के बच्चे पे ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है एक कॉलेज सेमेस्टर एग्जाम वाले बच्चे के साथ. सो इन दैट केस अगर आप ये प्रेशर नहीं हैंडल कर पा रहे तो फिर क्या पॉइंट है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे IPM में जाओगे, इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ मच मोर रिगरस कोर्स. अगर यहाँ आपसे ये दो चीज मैनेज नहीं हो रही तो IPM करिकुलम के अंदर इतने सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, इतनी सारी चीजें हैं, वो आप कैसे मैनेज कर पाओगे. सो दैट इज नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज दैट यू कैन गिव टू योरसेल्फ, राइट. सो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट यू नीड टू कंसिडर. अब इसके बाद अगर आपको सोच के लग रहा है नहीं यार आई एम नॉट समबडी जो सिर्फ अभी मोटिवेटेड है, अभी बस वो दिल में घाव लगा हुआ है कि मेरा IPMAT नहीं हुआ है तो मुझे अच्छे से देना है, मैं वो बच्चा नहीं हूँ, मैं आगे जाके भी मेहनत करूंगा. ये मेहनत जो है वो कंसिस्टेंट रहेगी. जितने भी बच्चों के मैंने अभी नाम लिए हैं वो सारे वो बच्चे थे जिन्होंने कंसिस्टेंटली काम करा है. इफ आई गो एंड चेक द हिस्ट्री ऑफ देयर यूजेज ऑन द पोर्टल, हर दिन उन्होंने लॉग इन करा है, हर दिन उन्होंने पढ़ाई करी है. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द टोटल accumulated hours, these are people who have spent about 300 to 500 hours on our portal itself. And उस hours के अलावा भी they have done self studying, they have given mocks, they have done a lot more things as well, right? So ऐसा ही दिखता है if in case if you actually want to get in, that discipline and that consistency is required and expected from you. क्या वो चीज दे सकते हो? अगर दे सकते हो, ideally recommended रहेगा that you take a partial drop and not a full drop. Reason being, partial drop में एक तो ये होता है कि ऑफ कोर्स एग्जाम इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. अगर आप बाकी 80% में लैंड करते हो तो एटलीस्ट आपको एक गैप ईयर नहीं आता है, बिकॉज गैप ईयर कुड बी प्रॉब्लमैटिक इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेसमेंट्स. नॉट अ वेरी बिग इशू बट इट इज एन इशू इंडीड बिकॉज कंपनीज वुड आइडियली प्रेफर पीपल विदाउट एनी गैप ईयर. सो दैट इज समथिंग जो आपको वहां पर जाके जस्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड इज की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कॉलेज से इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, यहाँ आपने IPMAT की प्रिपरेशन करी है, यू विल हैव दोस बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग सो दैट जब आप बाद में कैट भी देते हैं इट विल ओनली हेल्प यू. साथ में जो आप यहाँ एक साल बचाएंगे, यू कैन रादर स्पेंड दैट 1 year into getting corporate experience, which will only boost your profile when you're applying for MBA colleges through CAT, right? So in that case, ideal situation तो यही रहेगा that you go for a partial drop. Even if you're doing IMB's UG degree, वो भी चलेगा, but in that case, I would ideally advise कि आप partial drop ही लें, full drop ना लें. बहुत specific cases होता है, आप बिल्कुल अभी इंटरव्यू दे के ही आए हो और इंटरव्यू में थोड़े से मार्क्स से रह, मतलब इंटरव्यू दे के आए हो पर इंटरव्यू कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ है, या फिर बिल्कुल जरा सी किसी चीज की वजह से आपका इस बार सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ है, यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर सेल्फ एंड यू बिलीव कि हाँ पहले भी डिसिप्लिन था, अभी भी डिसिप्लिन रहूंगा. उन केसेस में फिर भी एक बार को मैं फुल ड्रॉप कह दूंगा कि ठीक है ले लो, बट आइडियली in normal circumstances 80-90% people should not be taking a full drop, they should be taking a partial drop. At ACE IPM last year we launched our droppers batch for 2024. It was an immense success and we want to carry on with its legacy and are launching our droppers batch for the year 2025. The batch will start from 27th of July. Before I go on to the details of this particular course, I want to let you know, if in case you scored well in this year's any of the IPMAT, चाहे रोहतक हो, इंदौर हो, जिपमेट हो, in that case you can fill the scholarship form that is pinned down in the description. And in that case, we would be able to offer you additional discounts basis of your score. Otherwise, you can also use the promo code RESTART and enroll yourself today and get started with your preparation by availing a direct discount of 3,000 rupees. But before purchasing, you should understand about the course as well. So here is what we have to offer. Now, in terms of the basic structure, basic foundation, it largely remains the same across all our courses, and that is what has helped us, build this wall of results with about 600 people getting selected in the last 3 years. This year also we are expecting 200-250 IIM selections in total. So that is what this course has been able to put out in terms of result. And the way it works is कि आपके lectures के लिए you will have conceptual lectures, which has been a core pillar of our ACE IPM's foundation, wherein you have bite-sized lectures available for all the topics covering right from the basics till the very advanced level. But this year we are also going to add more conceptual lectures to it. So there are lectures available from Swapnil. There will be lectures now available from other faculties as well. There will be lectures available which will cover the new nuances of the examination. Since now we have the previous year paper available for the last 6 years, so we have more data which we can then utilize into making better versions of those lectures in terms of adding the PYQs, and all of those things will be done. Second thing is live classes. Live classes will start, they'll regularly happen right as the course begins. You will have a proper schedule available for yourself in terms of when to do what. And on top of that, the frequency initially will be slower, but eventually as the course, the examination comes nearer, your frequency of live classes will increase. In the middle, you will have crash course, you will have marathon batch, other batches available. आपके पास सारे batches की सारी live classes का access होगा. Once you join ASIPM's 2025 droppers batch, 2025 के लिए जो भी हम batch launch करते हैं, you will have access to those as well. So that will be taken care of. इसके अलावा when we talk about practice, so one thing that we have added in terms of live lectures this year is, after every live lecture, you will also have a DPP sheet given to you, which will have questions which are going to be exact replicas of the previous year questions available in the past 6 years of paper for IPMAT Indore. So that will really immensely help you in terms of your practice. And that is in addition to the lecture-based quizzes which are already available on the portal, the daily tasks which are already available on the portal, the verbal doses that are there. We'll in fact add more sectional tests and more topic tests for verbal this year, because we realize that verbal is something which is not the strongest of suits for a lot of you. So we would also be focusing on the practice part of verbal and add more content this year for that as well. So all of that will be taken care of. In addition to that, of course, you will have access to the flagship test series ACE mocks, wherein you have 50 mocks for IPMAT, which are more useful for you mainly, and 30 mocks for BBA examinations as well, if in case you do want to give them another shot next year. So that is how the mocks are going to be. In terms of mocks as well, because we have the past year data available this year, we are revamping our entire question bank so as to make sure they're even more relevant. They're already very relevant, but to make them even more relevant to your past year papers, to ensure there are no errors in terms of the questions. So all of those things, the vetting process is changed. So you can expect mocks to be even better. We are already one of the best test series out there, and this year we want to take it a level above. So that is going to be sorted. In terms of support system, for all your academic doubts, you will be added to a 24/7 WhatsApp group. We'll have more mentors, more faculties available in the group so that your doubts are addressed quicker this time. And secondly, in terms of your non-academic doubts, you can book a one-on-one mentorship session on Zoom with one of the seniors from IIMs and get all your non-academic queries sorted. And those are going to be the people I just took the names of initially. So all those people are also going to be available, helping you, guiding you all the way through your journey. So that is going to be there. Other than that, constant support, constant guidance, sessions from me, Swapnil, other faculties to guide you, to motivate you every step of the way. Your form filling, all of that, of course, is the usual part of the deal, and that will be provided to you as well. So all of that will be available to you as a part of the Droppers batch for 2025. If in case you want to enroll, you can either enroll directly and use the promo code RESTART to get a discount of 3,000. But if in case you feel like you've already done very good in this year's IPMAT examination, you can send us your score through the Google form which is attached in the description and the pinned comment, and we can consider your application and maybe offer you even more discount. So that is one thing. Also, if in case you have any doubt about this course, please feel free to book a counseling session from our website. Within a day, you will have a callback, from one of our mentors who is going to guide you through all the process in terms of what the course is all about, and not just our ACE-IPM course. If in case you have any doubts about IPM in itself, you are free to ask those questions to them as well, and make sure that you are 100% clear about the fact that you know what IPM is all about. You're 100% clear about the fact that you really want to take a drop year, and you're 100% clear about the fact that how ACE-IPM as a course is structured and how does it run. Only when you have yes as an answer to all these 3 questions is when you should proceed and purchase our course. And the course is available starting from 27th of July. If in case you don't have result for your colleges, let's say for example DU and other colleges, if you're expecting calls and you are not very sure in terms of whether you want to take a drop year or not, it is all right. You can enroll at a later point in time as well. आप वो चीज जो भी आपका बैकलॉग होगा वो आप कवर कर पाओगे, इतना दिक्कत नहीं होगा. But first of all, decide कि आपको drop लेना है या नहीं, and that is when you should enroll for this course. So that is all about it. If in case you have any comments or queries, you can drop it down in the comment section. And that's about it. I hope to see you in one of the classes at ACE-IPM. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and let's ACE-IPM. Thank you.